Worried AI might replace your job? You're not alone. But here's the twist, you can profit from it instead. In this video, I'll show you how to flip the script, using the same AI tools threatening traditional jobs to create new income streams, side hustles, and even full-time businesses. Adapt now, and you won't just survive, you'll thrive. Before we jump in, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because this is the future and you'll want to be ready. Let's get into it. Understanding the AI revolution. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. Companies are implementing AI solutions faster than ever before, and yes, some jobs are being automated. But here's what the fearmongers won't tell you. Every technological revolution creates more opportunities than it destroys. The printing press didn't eliminate storytellers. It created publishers, editors, and an entire media industry. AI is following the same pattern. Right now, we're in the early stages of what experts call the AI productivity boom. Companies are desperate to integrate AI, but lack the expertise to do it properly. This creates a massive gap in the market that savvy individuals can fill. The key is positioning yourself not as someone who competes with AI, but as someone who leverages it. Identify your AI advantage. Your first step is recognizing that AI isn't just one technology. It's a collection of tools that can enhance virtually any skill or industry. Instead of fearing replacement, audit your current skills and identify how AI can amplify them. Are you a writer? AI can help you research faster and overcome writer's block. Are you in marketing? AI can analyze customer data and optimize campaigns in ways that would take humans weeks to accomplish. The most successful people in the AI era will be those who become AI-human hybrids, professionals who combine human creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking with AI's computational power. This isn't about becoming a programmer. It's about becoming fluent in AI tools that relate to your field. Start by experimenting with AI tools relevant to your industry. Spend time understanding their capabilities and limitations. The goal isn't to replace your skills, but to enhance them dramatically. When you can produce work that's 10x faster or better quality using AI assistance, you become irreplaceable. Build AI-enhanced services. Once you understand how AI can amplify your skills and productivity, the next step is to build services that capitalize on this powerful advantage. Many traditional service providers still rely on manual, time-consuming methods that are often costly and inefficient. By integrating AI tools into your workflow, you can offer the same services, but deliver them faster, at a lower cost, and frequently with higher quality and innovation. Take graphic design as an example. Instead of starting every project from scratch, you can use AI to quickly generate initial concepts, experiment with different styles, and automate repetitive tasks like background removal, resizing, or color correction. This frees up your time to focus on the creative and strategic elements, allowing you to handle more clients simultaneously and offer significantly faster turnaround times without sacrificing quality. Similarly, if you're a consultant or analyst, AI can be a game changer by helping you sift through large datasets, identify key trends, and generate detailed reports within minutes rather than hours or days. This efficiency not only impresses clients, but also gives you the bandwidth to take on additional projects or focus on higher-level strategic advice. The critical factor is how you position these AI-enhanced services in the market. Instead of competing solely on price or offering cheap alternatives, market your services as premium solutions that deliver superior speed, quality, and insights. Clients are increasingly willing to pay a premium for services that save them time, reduce errors, and provide more actionable results. By emphasizing your enhanced capabilities, you set yourself apart as a forward-thinking professional delivering exceptional value in a crowded marketplace. Create AI-powered products. Beyond services, consider developing products that incorporate AI functionality. This could be anything from AI-powered mobile apps to automated content creation tools. The beauty of AI-powered products is that they often require less ongoing maintenance than traditional software while providing more value to users. Think about problems in your industry or daily life that AI could solve. Maybe it's an app that uses AI to optimize workout routines, or a tool that automatically generates social media content for small businesses. The possibilities are endless, and the barriers to entry are lower than ever thanks to accessible AI development platforms. You don't need to be a technical expert to create AI-powered products. Many platforms now offer no-code or low-code solutions that allow non-programmers to build sophisticated AI applications. Partner with developers if needed, but don't let technical limitations stop you from pursuing product opportunities. Master AI consulting and training. As AI adoption accelerates, businesses are struggling to implement these technologies effectively. This creates a massive opportunity for AI consultants and trainers. Companies need people who can bridge the gap between technical AI capabilities and practical business applications. Start by becoming an expert in AI tools relevant to specific industries. Then, offer consulting services to help businesses identify AI opportunities, implement solutions, and train their teams. This is particularly valuable for small and medium-sized businesses that can't afford to hire full-time AI specialists. The demand for AI training is also exploding. Professionals across every industry need to learn how to work with AI tools, but most don't know where to start. Create courses, workshops, or one-on-one training programs that teach practical AI skills. Focus on real-world applications rather than theoretical concepts. Invest in AI-driven opportunities. While building AI-enhanced services and products, don't overlook investment opportunities. The AI boom is creating new markets and disrupting existing ones. Smart investors are identifying companies that are successfully integrating AI to gain competitive advantages. Consider investing in AI-focused stocks, funds, or startups. But more importantly, look for traditional businesses that are effectively using AI to improve their operations. These companies often outperform their competitors dramatically as AI gives them cost advantages and operational efficiencies. You can also invest in your own AI education and tools. The money you spend learning AI skills and purchasing AI software will likely generate returns far exceeding traditional investments. Treat AI literacy as the most important investment you can make in your future earning potential. Build your AI network. Thriving in the AI era goes beyond just using the tools. It's about connecting with others who are also navigating this rapidly evolving space. To stay ahead, actively join AI-focused communities, attend virtual or in-person conferences, and engage in online forums where AI professionals, enthusiasts, and creators share ideas, tools, and trends. These environments are rich with learning opportunities and real-time updates on what's working across various industries. Building strong relationships within the AI community can open doors to valuable opportunities. When you connect with other AI-savvy professionals, you create space for collaborations, client referrals, and even joint ventures. Since the AI space is still relatively young and growing, it's often easier to form genuine connections compared to more crowded traditional industries. Being part of this early wave gives you access to a supportive network that can help you grow faster and smarter. Equally important is sharing your own experiences and successes with AI. Whether through blog posts, LinkedIn updates, or YouTube videos, documenting your AI journey not only helps others, it also positions you as a thought leader. When people see that you understand and effectively use AI in your field, they're more likely to reach out for advice, partnerships, or paid services. In fact, content creation around AI can become a powerful revenue stream on its own. Tutorials, case studies, tool reviews, and strategy guides are in high demand as more people seek to understand and implement AI. So, is AI coming for your job? Maybe, but now you know how to turn it into your advantage. Drop a comment with the strategy you're most excited to try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our journey. Amazing content is coming every week.